Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Moonpay. So whether you want to cash out your crypto into your bank account or you just want to move your funds out safely, this guide is for you. First of all, you need to launch your Moonpay application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, in order to withdraw your money from your Moonpay account, you are mainly going to have two different options. In the first method, you can directly sell your cryptocurrency over here on Moonpay. Then you can select the payment method, which can be your bank account, and you can get the USD or Euro or GBP or whichever currency you use in your bank account. So if you want to go through this method, you just have to simply press the sell option here on the home page. Then it will redirect you here on the selling page where you need to select the cryptocurrency which you want to sell. So by default, Bitcoin will be selected, but you can click on the option of this drop down menu and select your own cryptocurrency. For example, let's say you have Ethereum and you want to sell them. So you can select Ethereum, then you can select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to basically sell, and here you need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency. Once you have done that, you need to just simply select the currency in which you want to get the payment. Afterwards, you just have to wait for some time until it shows you the equivalent amount of money that you are going to get here in your account. So once you have done that, you need to simply press continue here in the bottom. After that, you just have to conclude your payment and get the money in your bank account. Now in the second method, in order to withdraw your money, what you can do is you can simply send it to your other accounts or in your other wallets, like you can send it to your Binance account, and then from Binance account of yours you can sell them and get the money in your bank account. If you want to try that method, on the home page you are going to see this Moonpay account tab. So you need to simply click on the three dots right next to the crypto which you want to send. After that, you need to tap on the option of send. Then you need to enter the amount at the recipient's address and make this transaction. Once this transaction is completed, you will be able to withdraw your money from your Moonpay account to your other account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.